In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find large emails to free up space. Freeing up space in Gmail can make your account faster and keep you from hitting storage limits across your Google services. Large emails, especially those with big attachments, are often the biggest culprits. I'll walk you through a simple, safe way to find them, review what you don't need, and delete them so your storage is actually freed. Start by opening a browser and going to gmail.com, then sign into your account. For the clearest view, this process is easiest on a computer, though the searches also work on mobile. Next, click the search bar at the top of Gmail. Here's the key. Use Gmail's size search operators. Type larger 10M and press enter to see emails larger than 10 megabytes. If you want to cast a wider net, try larger 5M to include slightly smaller messages. If you specifically want big attachments, type as attachment larger 10M. You can adjust the number up or down depending on how aggressive you want to be. The M stands for megabytes, so larger 2M would show emails over 2 megabytes. Look through the results and decide what you can safely remove. Click the checkbox next to any email you don't need. To select a lot at once, click the checkbox at the very top of the list, then choose the link that appears to select all conversations that match this search. Before deleting, skim the senders, subjects, and any attachment previews. If something looks important, open it to confirm. If there's a file you want to keep but you don't need the email, download the attachment first and then return to your results. When you're confident, click the trash icon. The emails move to the trash folder, but keep in mind that your storage isn't freed yet. Gmail holds deleted emails in trash for up to 30 days before removing them automatically. To free space immediately, go to the trash folder in the left sidebar. If you don't see it, click More to expand the list. At the top, click Empty Trash Now and confirm. This permanently removes the messages and frees the storage right away. Remember, once you confirm, those emails can't be recovered. That's it. Repeat the same searches with different size numbers if you want to clear even more space. Taking a few minutes to filter, review, delete, and then empty the trash is the fastest way to reclaim storage from oversized emails and attachments.